Updating your payout destination on Epic Games is important for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to successfully update your payout information. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access payment information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payments or Payouts section. Click on it to view your current payout destination and other payment-related options. Step 4. Update payout destination. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering the new payout information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification to verify the update. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully update your payout destination on Epic Games. Always double-check your information to ensure smooth transactions in the future.